Hey folks, welcome to another edition of Out and About with Captain Jim. I'm here today with Darren Coates down at the Cow Trail Classic in Merritt, a mountain bike race. Darren, how are you doing today?
We're doing excellent. Nice weather. Should be a good race.
Great, I'm looking forward to it. I might have to get on a bike myself, heaven forbid.
Heaven forbid.
Heaven forbid. What can you tell me about this race, Darren? How long has it been going on for?
At this location, I think this is our 5th year, and it's sort of a continuation of one which used to be called the Cane Valley Classic up at the Cane Valley, which was probably another 5 years running prior to that.
And how long is this race today?
One lap is about 16 kilometers. Some racers are doing as many as 2.5 laps.
2.5 laps. Whoa, almost 40 kilometers.
Yeah.
The Cow Trail Classic, I assume it got its name because of all the cows I'm seeing and the cow stuff I'm seeing.
Yes, partly that and partly one of the actual trails that the race course is on is actually called the Cow Trail. So
The Cow Trail.
yeah.
Folks, I'd now like to introduce Team Fatty Extreme. Come on in, folks. This is my own team. I have...
Hi, Captain Jim!
I'd like to introduce my mechanic, Cricket Banford. I'd like to introduce my physiotherapist, JoJo, and my 2 water girls, Ashley and Nikki.
Well, Captain Jim has gone to strap on a bike to actually participate in the Cow Trail Classic. We're going to hand off the hosting duties now to Christine Banford.
And today, how many people have we got registered for the race?
Somewhere around 140.
Wow, and the different classifications, what?
There's about 20 different classes, and they're based on ability, age, sex, and the number of laps that you're going to do. You either do 1 or 2.
Okay, so your high-performing racer, how long would it take them to do the 2 laps?
It would take them under 2 hours,
Great.
and everyone else we expect to be around 2 hours or a little bit over. The youngest is under 15, so I believe we have some 13-year-old riders, and I think our most senior rider is about 63.
The Cow Trail Classic is all about having some fun on a set of wheels. That's right, male, female, it doesn't matter. Age, that doesn't matter either. It's all about getting out there and enjoying the outside on 2 wheels.
How many times have you raced?
This will be my first time.
Wow, and how do you think you're going to do today?
Did pretty good. I raced yesterday at the BC Provincial High School Championship and got 2nd in heavy bike
Good
category.
for you, good
So
for you.
pretty good.
And how many other competitors are there with you?
I think there were about half heavy bikers, and there were about 62 all together in my race.
What's the difference with a heavy biker?
It's over 32 pounds.
So you're racing a cross-country race with an over 32-pound bike.
Yeah.
So that's quite a feat.
Yeah.
Most other riders are riding about, 25 pounds to a bike?
Yeah, about that.
Somewhere around there?
One guy had 22 and a half.
Okay.
I'm
Category?
racing in the 40 to 49 expert category.
And where are you from?
Anmore, BC.
Okay, and how long have you been racing?
On and off for about 7 years.
And how do you do?
Not too bad. It depends on the day and good days and bad days, and that seems to be the way it works for everybody, except for the very few.
And how many years have you been racing, Charlotte?
Maybe 4.
And what drew you to racing?
I just really like to bike, and it's good to bike fast.
Have you always been on a mountain bike?
Yeah, always.
Never did any road racing?
I go to maybe 2 road races a year, and I train on a road bike a bit too.
And is this the first time in Merritt?
Yeah.
First race here in Merritt?
Yeah.
And how do you expect to do?
I don't know, average?
Have
No.
you ridden the trail?
Yeah, the course is really fun. It's all single track, so that's an asset, I think, to the course and to the race.
Good.
It makes it a lot more entertaining, and I know in my case it dwells on my strengths.
And will today's cooler weather help you?
Oh yeah, totally. Definitely.
It looks like Captain Jim didn't get too banged up on those 2 wheels, so we'll have to give him back the mic.
This is Captain Jim from the Cow Trail Classic saying, get off the couch, get out here, get active. If I can do it, you can do it.